Hi y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a new Thredup unboxing for you guys. I got 15 pairs of women's shoes and I'm super excited for this one because the last one that I got, which was also from Phoenix, Arizona, I ended up getting a pair of Jeffrey Campbell Free People collab boots that laced all the way up over the knees. And I sold them for, I think it was like $150, and they were the very last pair that I pulled out. The rest of them, but that pair was what made the entire box. So I have not opened this up. As you can see, I just got it this morning. It's super dusty, and let's get into it already. Not open all the way. Okay, guys. Already I'm seeing some boots. All right. Ooh. Karl Lagerfeld, Paris. Look at that heel. The only thing I see wrong is that the toe bed is coming up just a tiny bit. But it hasn't been worn. Doesn't look like it's been worn. I've never sold this brand. It does have some little scuffs here and there. So I will definitely have to look this up. It looks like it has maybe a style number on the inside. And so I will look that up to see if I can find anything. They are a size 6. I've never sold that brand. All right, next, ooh, Via Spiga. It's like an imitation ostrich. There is the bottom. And these are a size 6.5. I know the bottom's leather because you can tell by looking at it right here. So there is that cute pair. Let's get closer. All right, next, Uggs. Ooh. Uggs, sweater Uggs. These are a size 8. Ooh, that's close to my size, guys. They look like they're in great condition. Here's the other one. Very cute. I don't see any problems with them. Very minimal wear. So those are awesome. 3 for 3. All right. Luoika. Okay. Someone tell me how to pronounce that, because I don't know. Let's push that out of my way. Yeah. Luoika. I have no idea, guys. So they're just this little black flat. And I'm not seeing anything on the inside or on the bottom. So it's not showing sizing or anything. Let's try it on my foot. Okay, I'm a 9 and this has 2 fingers. So that's probably a 10. So I'll have to look those up. They seem like they're real leather, but it's hard to know. Ooh. Here's some Sam Edelman's with the little insignia, cursive right there, SE. Not too bad a shape, only minimal wear. Those are a size 10. What else is that? All right, next is Vince. And these do have a little bit of wear. They could use some cleaning up. They have a little bit of leather wrinkling right there, if that's leather. Let's see. US size 8. I'm not seeing anywhere where it says what they're made out of. So I will have to look those ones up. There's some laces in here for something. Topshop. I've never gotten Topshop shoes. These are a size 37. They lace right here, up here, and then have these little laces right here. They have very minimal wear, and they're in great condition. I don't see any scuffing. So it's basically just a little bit of heel drag right here, and same on the other one. Yeah, except for like a tiny bit of a scuff right there. All right, next we have, J. Crew animal print calf hair shoes with the little cutout on the side. Those are cute. And they are a size 9, my size. Although I don't know that I'd wear them. But dang, are they cute. They are cute. Not too bad of a box, guys. Ooh. All right, Dolce Vita, which is an okay seller. However, I do love this mule. It's another calf hair. Looks like it's a size 8.5. This is a size 8.5. Does have a tiny bit of shedding going on. Other than that, it looks like it's in pretty good condition. And so is the other one. So, not bad. All right, next we have Joie. Awesome, look at those. There it is, Joie. Does have a good amount of wear on the bottom, but they still seem like they're in really good wearable condition. Just a very like kitten wedge kind of look. And they are a size 38.5, which I believe is an 8, if I'm remembering right. I've never gotten Joie shoes before, so that's awesome. Next we have, Madewell. Look at that, guys. These leather mules. A little bit of wear on the bottom. Style number J8560. I love it when they do that, so I can actually look up the real picture for them. And it says fall 2018, leather upper. They are a size 9. Those are my size. I don't think I'd wear a mule though. All right. Ooh. What is this? All right, so we've got ASOS. ASOS shoes. These need some cleaning. As you can see, they've got a lot of gunk on the fabric, and they're kind of a cheaper material, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna bother with these ones, and they seem kind of misshapen, so I don't know. I guess we will see. And some of the color seems to have transferred onto the white down there, so these ones may be a donate. Next we have Mad Love. This is just a lower end brand. These are a size 8. Looks like they're just a leather sandal. Nope, man-made. But they're a great basic. Might get like 10 bucks out of those. Then we have No Name brand. These don't have a tag or a brand or even a size. They are an espadrille. It's like a suede canvas kind of feel to it. They do look like they're in great condition. So I may have to try them on to see what size they are. They look like they might be a 10. So, not too bad. All right, guys, the last pair is J. Crew, and it's the new cursive one. Let's see if we can get that in there. There you go. So these are new, size 8.5. They're a black, and they have a little bit of shearling on the inside, right here and here. It just look like it has a little bit of wear, and then a little bit of wear on the bottom. Let's see if they're real leather. They seem like they might be real leather, but I'm not positive on that. So I may actually have to look these ones up to determine what they are so that I can list them correctly. All right, guys, that's it. So I'd say probably 13 or 14 out of the 15 pairs are a thumbs up. I actually ended up only paying, I think it was $25 for this box because I had credit in my Thredup account. So it was $80 for the box, but I ended up paying $25 because of the fact that I had a $60 credit in my account. So I ended up putting that towards the box. So $25 for 15 pairs of shoes is pretty freaking awesome. So this one definitely gets a thumbs up. If you guys like these kinds of unboxings and everything, go ahead and hit the thumbs up for me. And if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that notification bell and subscribe so you guys can be notified when I do more videos just like this. I will see y'all in my next video. Love y'all. Bye.